Hello, everyone. More important to Tesla than money is the pulsing need for progress and new ideas. In this exciting video, we're going to play detective and try to figure out Tesla's true value, which is a very complicated puzzle. We're going to look at everything about Tesla, from their cutting-edge technology to the culture that drives them, to find the golden nugget that makes them stand out in the world of cars. But let's not stop there. Let's also think about what might happen in the future. Could Tesla's value go beyond the numbers and be felt in the world of energy? Is there a way to figure out what the hopes and dreams of all visionaries, inventors, and fans are? As we try to figure out how much Tesla is really worth, we're breaking down walls and starting conversations that will spark new ideas. Friends, buckle up, because this isn't just a trip through data. It's a trip through innovation, desire, and the never-ending search for a sustainable future. As we start on this exploration, keep your mind open. Your imagination is free. The road ahead is full of surprises and revelations waiting to be found. But before we go any further, I'd like to ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for more updates. They're not afraid to say that Tesla stock is greatly undervalued. Because of this, they've given the company a thumbs up for its strong financial situation and good profitability, plus when it comes to growth. It's great that Tesla ranks higher than 97.26% of companies in the auto and parts business. That's pretty amazing. To top it all off, experts say Tesla stock should be worth $450. Remember when Elon Musk popped to his fans? It made you think about how traditional automakers might only change their minds when they feel pushed to. Chimed in to talk about Tesla's attempts to help other automakers make the switch to electric autonomy. They threw open their patents. They added superchargers and offered to sell their self-driving AI system. It's kind of like déjà vu with the supercharging. But will these giants catch on with full self-driving? Now, if you're into Cybertrucks, and who isn't? 3 more of those sneaky Cybertrucks were seen hanging out. We don't have the official pic yet, but a Tesla employee from China has given the go-ahead that looks a lot like the real thing. What is that? More good news. As of the first half of 2023, Tesla is the biggest company in the world that makes energy storage devices. That was the first time that a Chinese company was on this list. Now they are there. Now that the 72.4 gigawatt-hour pie is nicely split, 35% of it goes to Tesla and 65% to Chinese companies, who are in first place. People who don't want to fall behind make up the other 25%. Musk is making a huge pack. There is a lot of work for the business in China to do. Also, China is the place to be if you want to see brand new Model 3s. There are a lot of brand new Model 3s on the roads making a statement. Now for the really scary part. On the homepage of Best Buy's US website, the Tesla Universal Wall Connector is right in the middle, but it's not all good news. Cole Campbell, one of Tesla's best engineers, is leading the company to work for J.B. Straubel's Redwood Materials. After 17 years at Tesla, Colin Campbell is leaving the company. He quickly moved up the company and is now a senior director in charge of powertrain development. In this role, he is in charge of all manufacturing, electrical, and mechanical aspects of high-powered parts, such as batteries, charging systems, motors, electronics, and gearboxes in both the vehicle and energy divisions. Many people think this is a conflict of interest, but Campbell's choice has gotten a lot of notice. For a while, Campbell was VP of Powertrain at Tesla. He is now moving to become Chief Technology Officer at Redwood Materials. Don't forget that there may also be stock options. Things made from Redwood were worth at least $3.7 billion in July 2021. The good news is that it's often easier to see how your work affects the bottom line when you work for a smaller company. Right now, you can plant a seed and watch it grow. China is quickly becoming a great place for Tesla to deliver cars. There were a steady 13.9 deliveries, which I think is pretty good compared to the same time last year, when things weren't going so well. Tesla now knows what to do and can handle the end-of-quarter roller ride. The last quarter was better than this one, so we're in the black. But the trends are good, and if they keep up, we might have another record-breaking quarter. Mills got it that James is estimating 470,000 deliveries around the world this quarter, and Gary, well, he thinks China's numbers are good, and he's known for telling it like it is. but let's talk about Cybertrucks for a minute. People have seen these futuristic beasts out in the wild dirt, and they're definitely getting people's attention. If you look more closely, you might see some fit and finish tweaks that need to be made, but that's normal for early production. Also, keep in mind that these trucks are prototypes. They'll only get better with time, and since we're talking about changing, let's talk about some news on Twitter that might make Tesla investors scratch their heads. Some people think that Twitter's new name might make people less likely to get the app. Elon is here to make us feel better, though. Every day, he'll use Twitter for 346 billion seconds, and that doesn't count a short spike a while ago. What does this mean? It's like finding a treasure box full of things to do. Remember that users who are regularly using the site are usually the ones who are ready to pay extra for cool premium features like Twitter Blue. Oh, and they're all up for some good user feedback too. A little edit replies feature wouldn't hurt right now. Onto the grand Tesla parade picture. There's two new cars gearing up to hit the scene, the Cybertruck and an updated Model 3 for the Highlander version. It's like a double treat for Tesla fans. Oh, and remember the Model 3's makeover could make it a whole lot more cheap, getting wider Tesla's market horizon. When we talk about industries and trends, let's talk about how people feel about Tesla stock. The market can be a bit down sometimes, and on Friday it was kind of giving Tesla stock the cold shoulder. But don't let the bad mood get to you. There are two changing just around the corner or changing cars, which is like having the coolest set of toys on the block. Feeling tense about how stocks will move, here's a friendly reminder to shift your attention. That Cybertruck getting ready to hit the streets is a real beast on wheels, and trust me, if you're not Tesla and you make cars, things might not look so bright. Now let's look at Megapacks, a slow dance to speed things up. Some people say, but wait, there's a reason for all this chaos. Tesla is busy with Megapacks, factory plans, and a global strategy. Elon is also having talks with people in other countries, and France may be in the spotlight. But hey, it's all in the numbers, right? Well, not so much when it comes to Megapacks. The exact count is a bit of a mystery. Rob's wise words ring true. Remember that when we talk about stocks, even storage rooms full of batteries have ramps. A hint of a Cybertruck price drop could be like a magic wand for Tesla's stock value. If it costs less to build, the numbers on the stock charts might look better. Oh, and Fords may have gone off track a bit with their title about shipped Cybertrucks. No, not to customers yet. They're just moving around and not in drives. Let's hear it for real. People in a certain city have been talking about Tesla. Are they making something big? Maybe, but let's not put our money on it just yet. Usually, these visits are more for show than for real progress. But here's the icing on the cake, as if that wasn't enough. Tesla has now teamed up with Lexus to offer luxury vehicles. Who knew Tesla was more than just EVs? They're also killing it in the luxury game. And speaking of games, there's a Vietnamese CV maker called VinFast whose stock went crazy, rising 100 to 14 in a single day. It makes you wonder if there's stock market magic in the air. And finally, a new car that's only supposed to go 200 miles on an 82 battery has everyone scratching their heads. That's all for today's Tesla update. From soaring stock feelings to mysterious Megapacks, we've covered it all. But let's not forget about the always changing stock market. Do you find it as interesting as I do how the market responds to Tesla's every move? It's like a roller coaster ride that keeps us all guessing. What are your thoughts on this unique dance between innovation investors' feelings and the stock charts now that we've finished our discussion? I can't wait to hear your forecasts and thoughts. Please leave a comment below, and let's talk more. Tell us what you think about the Cybertruck's impact. How do you think the market will change over time? And how you think the Model 3 refresh could change things? Additionally, please click the like button if you like this Tesla ride and sign up to receive news about Tesla stock. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next film.